Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to set architecture E1 sheet in Excel. So very easily you can set this paper size in Excel, or this method will be work in PowerPoint, MS Word. So first you need to click on here page layout, paper size, just click on it. Now find this architecture E1 sheet and click on it to set it. And you cannot find here, so you can try this second way. More paper size, just click on it, and here paper size, just select it, click on OK. You can see the print preview also. So this way you can very easily set this paper size. So thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe this channel for more useful videos.